Peoples of the YouTube. So,
And fine.
it's me, Emily, and it's
Me, Katie, and we're going to be doing a blindfolded slime challenge.
it's gonna be so fun.
So I'm gonna go first, and then Natalie's gonna go second in the next video, okay? So let's get on with the video.
Whoa, wait, before we go on with the video, we need to tell them what we're doing. So she's gonna put the blindfold over her face. Can you see
Remember,
it?
I can't see anything.
Oh yeah, it looks super tight. She can't see anything, I swear to God. So what I'm gonna be doing, she'll have her blindfold, and I'll hand her
I have to see what it is.
Yes,
I
yes.
have to see
I'll
what it is.
hand her a slime, and she has to figure out which one it is.
Yeah. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell just so you get another.
Also, we haven't had we're still thinking about doing a 3 a.m. challenge.
So comment down below if you want that.
Yeah.
So let's get on with
The
the
video.
Let's see if we can get this to 50 likes.
Oh,
One,
right.
2, 3.
All right. I'm gonna hand you your first slime. This one. Okay. Whoa. It's a big one.
Oh God. Strawberry.
Correct. That was a little bit easy because she knows the texture of strawberry.
Yeah. Our favorite slime. Am I right, Emily? Okay,
Yes.
on to the next slime. This
Look,
smells
cover
bad.
your thingy.
Ah. It is down.
Okay, you ready? Begin already. She breaks a little easy, so don't stretch her too much.
Let me think. It feels like bubbles, but I don't know.
What's your guess?
Zigzag.
Dang it! How do you know?
Because I'm like, well, this doesn't feel like bubbles texture, and then I'm like, it's probably zigzag. Because I thought of all the slimes that were like hot pink. I thought of all the slimes that felt that way, that were not green. On to the next slime. It is down!